Mr. President! Mr. President!
Sir, yung latest survey lang kung saan, kung nag one-on-one with VP Sara, 46% tie po kayo.
Well, una sa lahat, buong kumbaba, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa tiwala. Pero I said it before, and I'm going to say it again, wala pa akong balak na tumakbo as President sa 2028. However, I believe I'm doing very well as Senator and I can do a lot more as Senator. Therefore, maasahan niyo, re-electionist ako sa 2020.
Even if mataas ang number nyo sa survey, that will not change your mind, sir?
No.
Bakit po? Bakit, sir?
I'm very happy as Senator, like I said. So, basta ako aakyat sa higher office. And then, I don't want to commit the same mistakes that others committed. My elected officials, first termer pa lang sila. And then after first term, tumatakbo agad sila sa higher office, so higher position. They fail.
Sir, kahit pa magkaroon ng clamor for you to run,
I think so.
Final answer niya, Attorney.
Final answer.
But if what if mas makakapaglingkod kayo as President?
Pwede na ako maglingkod as Senator, di ba? Pareho lang naman yun, lingkod bayan tayo. So, yun.
Pero mas maraming authority sa yung Presidente.
Mas maraming sakit sa ulo. O, di ba?
sir, kahit mas tumaas ka na sa survey kay VP Sara,
Mas kilo pa hanggang langit. So, talagang hindi. Marami naman dyan eh. O, nandiyan naman si Mayor Lenny, si Sen Risa, si Sen Bam, si dating Senador Trillanes, nandiyan si Sen John Vic, Sec Vince, si General Torre, Mayor Magalong, so many people.
If not President, what if katandem?
Sorry?
What if not President, what if kunin kayong katandem as VP?
Hindi rin. Happy na ako as big senator.
sir, kasi kayo daw ang pwede.